Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves once here again. As you can see, today I am going to be showing you how to make a very natural deodorant balm. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm going to be needing some coconut oil. I'll get a bowl and come in with about a teaspoonful of coconut oil. Next, I'll come in with about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Finally, I'll come in with a drop of lemon essential oil. I'll give it a very good mix. So this has formed a very smooth and silky paste. It's ready to be used. After your everyday shower, just take a pea amount of the paste and rub it on your underarm. This works way better than a deodorant. This is chemical free and will help give your underarm a very smooth texture. This will get rid of bad odor and get rid of dark underarms as well. It's very great for those of you with dark underarms. It will help eliminate the hyperpigmentation over there. I must say both coconut oil and baking soda are very effective for the removal of bad odor. Talking about the lemon oil, need I say more? Lemon is one of the natural substances that helps in getting rid of bad odor. It also helps with hyperpigmentation. You can use this once or twice daily. Since it's very easy to make, you can always make a new batch when you run out. Okay guys, so I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.